Most Angular developers use dependency injection every day, but do you actually know what's happening when you add a service to your constructor? Dependency injection is a design pattern where dependencies are provided to a class from the outside, rather than the class creating them itself. Think of it like ordering food delivery instead of cooking. Without DI, your component would manually create every service it needs. With DI, Angular delivers those services ready to use. Angular implements this through its injector system. When you mark a class with the injectable decorator, you're telling Angular this class can be injected. Then, you receive it through constructor injection. Angular's injector automatically finds and provides the service instance when your component is created. Services can be registered at 3 levels. Root level makes a singleton available app-wide. Module level creates an instance per lazy-loaded module. Component level gives each component its own instance. The provided-in property controls this registration. Why does this matter? DI gives you testability because you can easily swap real services for mocks. It provides loose coupling, so components don't depend on specific implementations. And it enables reusability, letting you share services across your entire application. Remember, dependency injection means Angular provides services to your components through constructor injection, using a hierarchical injector system. Master this pattern and you'll write cleaner, more testable Angular code. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.